Hello, little brain, let's start the day. Stretch your arms and smile away. Breathe in deep and count to 3. Yoga fun for you and me. Stand like a tree, tall and wise. Touch the sky and close your eyes. Focus, balance, strong you stay. Yoga makes you sharp each day. Flutter, flutter, butterfly wings. Open your mind to learning things. Breathe in calm and flap, flap, flap. Relax your brain, then take a nap. Meow like a cat, moo like a cow. Stretch your back, bend and bow. Brain gets happy, body light. Yoga makes you feel just right. Hello, Mr. Snake. Slither like a snake. Stretch up high, look at the clouds, wave to the sky. Breathe in deep, lift your head. Yoga makes you strong, enough said. Downward dog pose, be like a dog, tail in the air. Stretch your body with love and care. Upside down, your brain feels bright. Yoga brings the mind new light. Child's pose, turtle rest. Curl up small like a turtle tight. Rest your head, feel calm and light. Breathe in slow, let worries go. Yoga helps your brain to grow. Flow.